how to send photos in TikTok message. Hello everybody. If you are wondering how, you may follow up this method. So go ahead and open up TikTok on your screen first. And then once you open up TikTok, you should be finding your For You page and everything. So what you can do next is head over the inbox section in the bottom. And then once you head over the inbox, what you can do is simply head over the chat. For example, this chat right here. After that, once you head over the chat, in the bottom you should be finding photo option in the bottom right. Tap on it and then select up a picture that you would like to share and tap on send. So that's it for now. You can follow up this method in order to send photos and TikTok messages as well. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video, and be sure to hit the like, subscribe for more updates.